So how can you make the sharing of the profile, or how can you literally share the link to your profile on Instagram? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can go to your profile, that might be the thing, by clicking on your icon in the bottom right, and then click on share profile. So you can see we have this like QR code which appears. So you can download that code or click on a copy link, and then you can just text it to someone or send through an email or whatever else. Or you also have the share button, which will just let you export it through all of the like usual iPhone sharing options, like through AirDrop or all of the available apps. However, you might also be interested in like sharing some different accounts. In that case, if it's not your account, you can just open it up in full screen, tap on the three dots in the top right, and click on share this profile. And kind of a similar thing is going to appear where you can share it to someone through the DM on Instagram, like literally just paste it into a message. Or again, you have the ability to copy the link, or as you can tell, you can just share it like that, add it to your story, right? So plenty of different things that you can do with it. But that's kind of how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to successfully do this on your device. In case of any questions, leave them below in the comments. Subscribe so you do not miss upcoming videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.